Alright guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of visiting this our channel, please do well to subscribe as we talk on how you can make money using the Adsterra, how to make money using our ad mob, in fact anything on making money online. And we also teach how to create mobile app, so and some other things using sketchware, even upgrade to 24 or those kind of a thing. So you can see even Appian, how you can make money using Appian free. Now this time around we've added Adsterra, so we'll be teaching you guys how to make money using Adsterra. Very soon I'm going to make video about propellerads. Just try to watch this video. I made it, it's very clear and nice for you to watch. You can see this Adsterra high CPM tricks, Adsterra payment proof, all this kind of thing, they are all here. So try to make sure you work this. Now in just less than 10 minutes I'm going to show you guys how you can drive traffic from Facebook, the easy step-by-step guides on how you can drive traffic from Facebook to your Adsterra and make money. So the first thing that you just need to do is to subscribe to this channel first. Then after subscribing to this channel, you just head into your browser and type in quasar.com. Type it like this and you're going to see this Quasar here. This is their site. Are you getting it? So then click on it. Then this is the site. So this particular place, I'm going to show you how to use this site to drive traffic. Then if you are not yet registered, you can just register here, or you just log in if you have account with them. Here you're going to put your email. Alright, now here I'm going to put in my password. So I'm going to log in. So you can see it here. I just created this, so we are going to create new link here. Now you need to click on this create link, then we are going to run bio link page. Okay, just click on this and then you see bio link page. Click on bio link page. Here you're going to give it a custom name. This is going to serve as your domain. You can just put in WhatsApp group invite, or X videos WhatsApp group. You know this, then this is going to serve as your domain. So just click on create bio link. It's going to generate it for you. Now here we're going to start customizing this. Now what are we going to do now? We need to do what? To add a new block. Click on add a new block and you put headings. Click on headings. Now here you're going to select heading 2 and now type in something. Maybe you go on and look for what people are searching for about WhatsApp. Let's just search WhatsApp. You're going to see suggestion here. WhatsApp group links, or you can just put adult WhatsApp group link. Just search for it. You're going to you go down and look for some. Okay, here you can say adult WhatsApp group link 18 plus. Then you can just do what? Select from here. You just copy it. You go back to there and then put it here, paste it here, and then submit. You can see it here. Everything is showing live here. You can see it here. This is how this particular thing is going to show you how it's going to look like when people open it with their phone. Now we have created the first link here, which is the headings, and now we're going to add another stuff here. Now what are we going to do? We're going to put our image. We're going to put image here. So how do we get image that will match this this particular thing that we're doing? Just go straight to the internet, click on click on images. When you type in something like this, you're going to see something, all this kind of WhatsApp, something like this. So you can just like to download any of it and then use it. But just make sure something like charts, the one that is showing charts, and you should look for the one that is not a data like this. Is very good. You can just save this image and do what? Click on this downloads and then save. Then let's go back to that place, click on it, click on this file, and then you locate where you downloaded it to, and you know, this is it. Open it there and submit it. Here you're going to put URL here, and this particular place you're going to put URL there, but that is later. You can see how it look like. You see how it look like. Now what again? You're going to put another link. Just click on add link and then put what? Join. Just put only join. Okay, you submit it. Okay, sorry, here you're going to put a link. That link is the link that you get from your your Adsterra. You make sure you create direct link from Adsterra. You place it here. Do what? Submit it. Okay, then look at how it will appear. Then we're going to customize this button so that it will look very neat. Okay, this video, it seems like we're going to continue it with another you know, video. So make sure you watch this and watch the next video, which will appear now. Click on it and continue watching. Make sure you watch this boot video, this video that is showing on your screen now. Click on it and join. Okay.